Imagine a future where your smartphone, car, and even your fridge communicate seamlessly, delivering lightning-fast responses and immersive experiences. This is the promise of mobile edge computing, MEC, a revolutionary technology poised to transform our digital world. But here's the kicker. The MEC market is projected to skyrocket to a staggering USD $16.4 billion by 2031, growing at a mind-boggling 15.8% annually from 2025 onwards. That's a lot of processing power moving closer to where it's needed most, right at the edge of the network. Why the excitement? MEC is all about bringing computing power closer to the devices and users generating data. Think of it as setting up mini data centers in your neighborhood instead of relying on a single distant server farm. This proximity slashes latency, those frustrating delays, and boosts bandwidth, enabling blazing fast 5G experiences. Imagine downloading entire movies in seconds or playing cloud-based games without lag. Revolutionized industries. From healthcare with real-time patient monitoring to autonomous vehicles making split-second decisions, MEC empowers industries to leverage the full potential of IoT and AI. Immersive technologies. Augmented and virtual reality will become truly seamless, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. The players shaping the future, tech giants like IBM, Cisco, Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise are leading the charge, alongside innovators like Nokia, Ericsson, and Alibaba. These companies are investing heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what MEC can achieve. But here's where it gets controversial. While the benefits are undeniable, concerns about data privacy and security loom large. With data processing happening at the edge, who owns and controls this information? How can we ensure it's protected from malicious actors? These are questions that demand careful consideration as MEC becomes increasingly integrated into our lives. The road ahead. Challenges and opportunities. The MEC market faces hurdles like high initial investment costs and complex regulatory landscapes. However, government initiatives promoting digital infrastructure and sustainable development are fueling growth, particularly in regions like Asia-Pacific, where rapid industrialization and a growing middle class present immense potential. What's next? The future of MEC is brimming with possibilities. As technology evolves and adoption accelerates, we can expect even more innovative applications and business models to emerge. But one thing is certain, MEC is not just a technological advancement. It's a paradigm shift that will redefine how we interact with the digital world. What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of MEC, or do you share concerns about its implications? Let us know in the comments below.